Hey yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Bando Guns back with another video, man. This one's gonna be a shoe video, man. I'm gonna do a cleaning on my reverse 12's, man. A couple days ago I had got some apple juice spilt on them, and I figured I'd do a video trying to clean the mess up. So we're gonna see how it turned out. I'm gonna show y'all the before and show y'all the after, you know. This is the before, the shoe right here. Got my cleaning solution hooked up on the right over there in the ball already. You can see the stains right there on the toe of the shoe and right on the front, right above the ball. Left shoe, you can see the stains right there on the sole, at the bottom sole, on the midsole of the shoe. Yeah, it's practically all over. You see the shiny speckles right there. That's all juice right there. That's the apple juice that was spilt on them. So I'm gonna try to get them cleaned up. I'm using a product I had never used before. Uh, I normally use the Angela Suede cleaner. I ain't want to wait and order any, so I just went to Hibbett's and bought a kit from there. I think the name of it is CREP. It's like CREP. Comes with a cleaning brush, a cleaning cloth, some solution, and it's like a pamphlet in there. It come in a nice little case too. I like it. It was $18. Came up to like almost 20 with tax. First time using it, so I'm gonna try to get these bad boys cleaned up, and I'll show you the after. This is the finished product right here. Look like it came out pretty decent. Still drying. It's still a little wet. But for the most part, it cleaned all the sticky icky up. No pun intended. Yeah, I was really upset, man. I didn't think it was gonna come out. But did a pretty good job. It's still in the drying process. You don't see no more apple juice on it. Almost like new. Had the shoestring soaking in the rest of the solution that I had left over. And I'm gonna wash them out. That can right there. That's the protectant spray. Thumbs up. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you for watching. I just want to say thank y'all. I have more footage than that of me actually cleaning the shoes, but what I was using before was my little GoPro. The memory card that I have in it, the SD card that I have in it, I had to reformat it. So the footage that I had before, I wasn't able to keep it, but I did film footage of me actually cleaning the shoes. I just couldn't use it. It wasn't saved on the SD card. So I had to use my phone. But by that time, it was already too late. I had already cleaned the shoes, and I just couldn't keep the footage from the GoPro. But thank you for watching the video, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you share. You know what I mean? A lot of time going to these videos, and I gotta shoot and edit myself. I'm trying to be self-sufficient. And I appreciate y'all.